Now to a developing story out of Southern California, where a ferocious wildfire is burning out of control. Wind-driven flames have scorched more than 30,000 acres and destroyed at least 150 structures. CBS 4's Chris Martinez has the latest from Ventura County.
Lauren, at this hour, this fire now stands at about 45,000 acres, and it is leaving behind an incredible trail of destruction. Take a look at this neighborhood here. This one was very, very hard hit. Dozens of homes here burned to the ground, and right now, thousands more still threatened.
Firefighters battled raging flames just inches away from homes in Ventura County. The wind-whipped blaze broke out Monday, rapidly igniting vegetation that fire officials say hasn't burned in decades.
I've lived in Ventura most of my life, and I've never seen anything like this. It just brings tears to my eyes.
Desperate homeowners used garden hoses to help save their property.
This is my mom and dad's house.
Awesome.
They lived here for 7 generations.
But many battles are being lost.
Good friends up the street lost their homes, and I'm just so sad for them.
Flames devoured dozens of homes and businesses, and thousands more are threatened. Evacuation orders are in place for nearly 8,000 homes.
Our biggest areas of concern right now are the city of Ventura with structure protection, and also as the wind picks up, still the cities of Santa Paula and Upper Ojai.
Shifting winds are making it very difficult for firefighters to gain the upper hand. On this street alone, a number of homes have burned.
Helicopters are being used to douse the flames, while firefighters from neighboring counties are being brought in to help. But officials say weather conditions are not favorable. The forecast calls for high winds and low humidity throughout the week.
About 1,000 firefighters are on the ground here right now from all across California battling these flames, and we do know more are on the way. These strong winds are expected to last here for at least a couple more days. Reporting in Ventura, California, I'm Chris Martinez, CBS 4 News.